Hello everyone. Today, we will draw a princess and royal kitty. Take a pencil and ruler and draw a grid of 3 squares tall. Add a horizontal and vertical line through the center. Draw 2 circles for the head and hair. Draw the hair and face. Draw the head of the kitty. Add its body, legs and tail. Draw the arms and hands. Add the neck and collar. Draw the ears and hair. Add the tiara. Draw the dress and lace trim. Add the legs and feet. Take a black marker to draw the clean lines. Add a crown to the kitty's head. Add some lines for the fingers. Wait a moment for the ink to dry and erase the pencil lines. We can color our drawing with pink, silver gray, and golden yellow. And our drawing is finished. Awesome job! Please like and subscribe for more fun drawing tutorials.